Hey, what's up? Welcome to another video. In this one, we're going to be tackling another artwork of mine that I built around 4 years ago. We're going to be repainting it and putting in new panels, just like we did with this piece right here, my infinity tetrahedron. Right now, it's time to make a cube, or at least to fix it. This is what it actually should look like. So just to show it up a bit up close, this is what we're dealing with. This connector is completely broken apart. The cable is also really short, so we're gonna have to extend it. One of the panels is broken. And as you can tell, the rest of the panels actually don't look that bad. It would actually look quite well with cleaning them, but look at the top one. It's as if some spray or something landed on it and just made some sort of an effect. So yeah, first thing is we're gonna light up the LEDs, try to fix this. If that works, we're going to take out the panels, repaint, and then put new panels in. Yeah, I actually wanted to catch my own surprise to see if it was still lining up or not, but from the moment that I turned on the power supply, it immediately responded because, yeah, it's a new LED controller and it seems to be set to the audio setting. So right now to the microphone that is built into it. And yeah, good news, guys, it's still working. The LEDs are all still functional, which means, trust me, this cable also is going to get cleaned up, but the fact that it's functional means we can continue with the video. Thank God, otherwise I would have been recording all of this for nothing. So we took the panels out, it's looking quite okay. It's just gonna take a bit of a longer time than the previous piece to clean up because apparently, probably, on one of the panels, I probably re-glued it and used a different glue, and actually a bit of the plastic is still on it. It's really hard to get off, so I'm gonna take my Dremels again and some other bits and pieces and some sanding paper and yeah, sand it all down, get it ready for a repaint. With the Dremel, we just removed most of the remaining glue. Now we just need to sand it by hand so that we can paint it again. But I'm also gonna clean up a bit, give it another test to see if everything is still working, and then it's time to take the next step. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Joshua. I'm an artist in Spain, and I would highly appreciate if you left a like or a comment, or if you just watched the entire video. Let's go. And so for the ones wondering, I actually just used the LED Chord app that connects with this SP107E LED controller. So you can even name the pieces. This one is called Cube 01. Let's see. Perfect. Perfect. Exactly what we were looking for. Let's even check if there's not like no bad contacts or anything, because this is like just touching the cables a bit. But man, yeah, this seems good. Oh wow, that's a lot of dust. I don't know if the camera really caught that, but that's still a lot of dust, but that's okay. Time to sand it and then paint it. Okay, I'm really happy with how the painting process has turned out so far, but I would even be more happier if you left a like, if you left a comment, if you subscribed, because as you can tell, My studio is still torn apart. I still need funds to get everything done the way I want it to be done so that I can really make an amazing channel for you guys. And every like, every comment, every subscribe, every bit of watch time really helps towards that. So thanks in advance. Okay, the cube has been completely repainted. I'm very happy with the result. We're gonna peel the tape off and then we're gonna cut some panels and start gluing them in. Alright, it's time to do the 5-day process of gluing in one panel, waiting for it to dry, gluing in the next one. And so yeah, there are 5 of them, not 6, because it is standing on top of a regular mirror, which is the easiest way to do it. You can still clean the inside then as well. And we're gonna make our secret sauce here on top of this little panel here again of paper so that it's easy to clean and keep clean. And yeah, secret sauce, not so secret. This is the sauce that I use. It's a 2-component transparent glue, which works really well, is very strong, lasts very well. So yeah, time to do some gluing. Alright, all the foil has been removed. This is how it's looking like. Inside, outside. Of course, now it's standing upside down. So let's put it on the mirror and light it up. Alright, everything is connected. It's not the most professional setup, but it's definitely going to work for the video. So let's go. So yeah, also make sure to go watch the other video. As you can tell, I have 2 of them standing right here now, the tetrahedron and also one of my cubes. So yeah, make sure to go watch the other video.